Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo with a message. So here is the normal Zippo black box, and the message is concerning gun control. This is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the insert, but here is the Zippo. It says the gun control debate was settled in 1791. And here's another Zippo. The Second Amendment was ratified on December 15th, 1791. This is another good Zippo, made in 2013. But this one is on a black matte finish, and it was made in C of 19, which is March of this year. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Good sound. And one other Zippo that I really like. Now this one was made in F of 16. Somewhere, I think it's around June of 16. That's a good one. That's a really good one. And here's another one concerning the Second Amendment. Let's do a drop test. Okay, so the Second Amendment passes the drop test quite nicely, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.